So Carreg Creative is a partnership between essentially Lindsay and myself, and we set up with an aim to deliver and support socially engaged practice by delivering sessions, but also mentoring and helping others who want to make their practice more socially engaged.
Yeah, so we provide we do our own projects, and this commission is one of them. And as part of that, we're playing with the idea and learning how to do work in an engaged way. And quite often, some of the themes that come out are around engaging with the natural world and also working on issues that can be controversial or that aren't straightforward. And on this commission, we're working with Vanda, and part of that is because the three of us work in a lot of things together and have done for a long time.
Yeah, when we work together, we focus so much more on process, on the process of making and the process of working as a group in a creative way, with much more focus on the process than on any resulting artwork that may or may not come out of it.
So we describe our medium really in this context as conversation, rather than paint or 3D or whatever. It's about those interactions and relationships. And so the commission for us was an interesting one because we've been offered a cabinet for a month to put something in, and obviously given what we just said, this is kind of an interesting kind of juxtaposition, so we could definitely be in the cabinet. And while we were talking about that, we thought, well, how can we slightly subvert the idea, or how can we really create a process which plays with the idea of being in the cabinet but also out of the cabinet, in the community, in making connections in the world outside. How does that link to creating something within the cabinet? So our commission was specifically relating to the Cabinet of Curiosities website and the National Contemporary Art Gallery Wales. And for that there's a website, but on the website the videos that are there all say something like, we can't show this work properly. And of course the work that exists outside the gallery, the engagements that we do, often result in ephemeral time-based experiences, and video is one way of documenting.
Yeah, the cabinet is its physical self, but it could be the cabinet as the art world, the cabinet as a gallery, the cabinet as a website, what our relationship with that could be. Our challenge now is, how does that conversation end up in the cabinet for a month?